Big breath in right here, all the way out. Yeah. Nice. Those are her. This is if we're looking just above. Zoom in on this one, Steven. I'm always big on not pushing into the curvature section, because if you can see, it's going up and then, yeah. Like I said, nice job. And in here than anything else, let that go all the way. Yep. All the way out. Sorry if I stink. You're so good.
Good job, girl.
About to be walking in months. That's the goal, under a year.
Yeah, I would be surprised.